To adjust date and time settings in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter general management, and then we can look for the date and time settings. Here we can adjust all of them. So first thing is automatic date and time. You can disable it and then adjust date and time manually. Doing this may cause some network synchronization issues, so if you change those settings and then encounter some problems while browsing internet or using apps, make sure that you toggle automatic date and time because this should fix it. After that, we have automatic time zone, and it's the same story. So if you disable it, you can change the time zone manually, but this may cause some synchronization issues. And lastly, there's use 24 hours format. Also, I should mention set time zone based on location. What it does, it basically tries to track your location and then adjust the time zone so it's perfect and you won't encounter any, as I said, synchronization issues. Then we have, as I said, also use 24 hours format, so you can switch between 24 hours clock or a 12 hours clock, so choose whichever one you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.